Disclaimer.
Hey, y'all ready? What the? Hold up. I know that ain't no dog next to you, player. How did you even get that? Bro, it's free in the shop. Just go look. You can get a free dog and then you can customize it. It can be yours. Oh, shoot. So, like, sidekicks. Fortnite? I'm lying. All right, already. New season, whole new map, new city, bosses, stuff, weapons, items, shop. Boy, oh my God. But how was that mini season? I actually messed with that season. That was actually good. That X and Lamar update, boy. Oh my God. All right, yeah. Let's do this. Gunfight City. Yeah, no. All right, y'all. Let's go to the casino. I want to see what's up. All right, bet. Let's do this. Haha, let's gamble. I'm good at doing that. Is that Uncle Joe? What the heck? Yeah. Get out of my casino. Haha, get him, cat. Excuse me. There you go, Whispers. What the? Did you seriously name your cat Whispers? Go out of here. Crap. But rolling dice. Whoa. Whoa. God, dog. Man, this is King Dice. King Dice? Why are you serious? Get him, boy. What the fuck? What? That was on this map? Oh, wow. He just started to What is that? The dude just made me bounce.
Oh, right now.
Oh! That boy talking about stack of money? God dang, I didn't miss everything. Where you been, bro? I ain't gonna lie, I like this dog mechanic. I've been playing with the dog. But what the you know what? Hey, let's go to the shop.
You came to the right place.
Oh, no way in hell I'm about to throw a horse at people. But what is this? Boy, I'm finna try this golden looking Uzi, boy. Whoa, it got money on. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know what I want. And player 4 died, by the way. Yeah, I see. Golly. Alright, at least he's spectating. Alright, end game. Yeah, look at my dog. Bro, forget your dog, boy. Lock you. Ha! Let's do this cowboy west. I need my Uzi. Hey, dog, it's straight, my dog got you, player 1. Oh, Lord. I think it's about time. Let's go. Shit. Don't talk about that dog. Man, get out of here, boy. We did it, girl. Woo, boy. What was that? I don't know. Another game, though? Yeah, we should. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, all right. Let's go. Now, this time, I got a little better this time. Oh, no, hell no. Wait, what the fuck? Spring! Surprise! What is that? Let's do this. Is that key? I got you, bro.